In this video, we will show you how to fix the mobile data service on Samsung Galaxy A53 that stopped working for no apparent reason. Network or wireless related issues can be very annoying. However, in most cases, they're not serious and you might be able to fix them by doing a few basic troubleshooting procedures. If you have this problem, the first thing you have to check is the signal reception of your phone. You should know that mobile data relies on the stability of the cellular network to be able to transmit data to and from your device. Just look at the signal indicator at the status bar to see if your phone is getting a decent reception. If not, then that should be the reason why services that rely on mobile data service don't work properly. You might have to go to an area where there is good reception to make it work. However, if that's not the issue, then what you have to do next is to temporarily disable all wireless communications in your phone and have it reconnect to the network. So swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable it. This will disable all wireless communications on your phone. After a few seconds, tap on it again to disable it back. Then try using mobile data and see if the problem is fixed. If still not, then you have to reset the network settings of your phone. Doing so will bring the wireless services back to their default values and configuration. And that might be what you need to fix this problem. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset to proceed. After doing that, try to see if you can now connect to the internet using mobile data, because if this doesn't fix the problem either, then you will have to call your service provider. It is possible that there's a problem with either your account or the network itself. The representative should be able to tell you why mobile data isn't working on your phone even if everything looks fine on your end. If it's an account issue, then it's probably due to some unsettled bills, but if it's a network problem, you might have to wait a little longer before the problem is fixed. We hope that this guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.